Think back to when you took music lessons and how much you loved to practice as a kid. Okay, you never really liked to practice either. I'm Kittyko, and I'm going to show you right now how to craft a practice session with a warm-up activity, independent practice, and a wrap-up activity to make the practice session productive, positive, and painless. Start a practice session with a guided warm-up idea like this. Let's say your child is learning to recognize notes on the instrument, and let's use the notes C, D, and E as an example. For about 1 minute, take your child on a scavenger hunt through the house, looking for items that begin with C, D, and E, like can, dish, egg. Now take those items back over to the practice area with your child and hide them behind your back. Your child counts 1, 2, 3, and on the count of 3, bring one of the items out in front. If it's a can, then your child plays C on the instrument, using the proper technique and fingering. Now do the same for the dish or the egg or whatever items you are using. This warm-up should last no more than 1 or 2 minutes. And now it's time to transition to practicing what the teacher has assigned. If you can, give feedback like "good job" or "let's take a look at that again" if there are issues. How long should your child practice at this point in the session? Try for just 5 minutes at first. If it goes well, add a minute when you think you can expect longer practice sessions without pushback. Always try to close the practice session with something fun. That way, the last memory of practice is a good one. Like this. Play the freeze game. Tell your child to play the assigned song, but to stop or freeze several times before getting to the end. Then you point to the last note that was played. Your child gets to be the teacher and tell you if you are correct. This quick review can be 30 seconds to a minute long. You can do this practice session format of a warm-up activity, practice, and wrap-up activity as many times per week as you'd like, but it's totally okay to start with like twice a week and build from there. At some point, you will ease back your involvement until the practice sessions are independent. Okay, notes for everything I've talked about can be found in the link in the video description. Have a great day, and here's to productive, positive, painless practice.